Lamdam sigi chahi mangagi BJP leingak amambaga pangkhakni party ki vision document da pan ki bawafam sing thabak oina onthokpa ngamdabat leingak ni haina Manipur gi AICC in charge Bhakta Charan na phongdokre wafam asi Manipur Congress Bhavan da paugi mifam pangthoktuna phongdokhibani mifam aduda CLP leader O Ibobi MPCC president and Loken yauna Congress party ki maruoiba mioi sing su saruk yaki mahakna makhata na hai yumthong khuding ising fanghangani haikiba adu fanghalabra lambi thong matik chana semgani hai kibadu mapungfana thabak oina onthoklabara masida natana unemployed youth sing thabak pigani haidana laukhiba adu thabak piba ngamlabara thabak loksinduna result lauthoktana namsin kibana ayamba sarukni lamdam sigi issue border issue yauna tongan ba thabak thoram sing maipakna pangthokpa ngamdaba BJP lengakni administrative reform nil oiba ahongwa purakpa ngamdaba lengakni haibada haiman bathokloi BJP party office na mapungfana loisinba ngamlaga miyamgi thabak thoramna loisinba ngamdana namsinba laibak thibani Asigumba development leitaba oidaba wasak sakpa party asigi mathakta lamdam asigi miyamna wakal khantaduna achumba mihut khanba mathau tare haina makhataki.
These 5 years of BJP government in Manipur has seen nothing but darkness. There is darkness with regard to their promises they have made in their manifesto. Like they said that ensuring job opportunity to every household, and you understand it very well that it has not been materialized. The promise about give pipeline drinking water to every household, but lots of houses are there. There is no pipeline supply drinking water in their houses. And even the hill, there is no pipe at all, pipe supply at all. And they promise that connect every district with all weather 4-lane road. No tender has been done, no 4-lane has been done. Even in the hills or in a new district, not even 1 lane is there. The road